Good morning, children. Welcome to today's history class. Today, I am going to explain about cattle, horses, and chariots, then about words to describe people. Cattle, horses, and chariots. There are many prayers in the Rigveda for cattle, children, and horses. Horses were yoked to chariots that were used in battles, which were fought to capture cattle. Battles were also fought for land, which was important for pasture and for growing hardy crops that ripened quickly, such as barley. Some battles were fought for water and to capture people. Some of the wealth that was obtained was kept by the leaders. Some was given to the priest and the rest was distributed amongst the people. Some wealth was used for the performance of yajnas or sacrifices in which offerings were made into the fire. These were meant for gods and goddesses. Offering could include ghee, grain, and in some cases animals. Most men took part in these wars. There was no regular army, but there were assemblies where people met and discussed matters of war and peace. They also chose leaders, who were often brave and skillful warriors. Words to describe people. There are several ways of describing people in terms of the work they do, the language they speak, the place they belong to, their family, their communities, and cultural practices. Let us see some of the words used to describe people found in the Rigveda. There are two groups who are described in terms of their work. The priests, sometimes called Brahmins, who performed various rituals, and the Rajas. These Rajas were not like the ones you will be learning about later. They did not have capital cities, palaces, or armies, nor did not they collect taxes. Generally, sons did not automatically succeed fathers as Rajas. Two words were used to describe the people or the community as a whole. One was the word Jana, which we still use in Hindi and other languages. The other was wish. The word Vaishyas come from wish. Several wish or Jana are mentioned by name. So we find reference to the Purujana or wish, the Bharata Jana or wish, the Edu Jana or wish, and so on. Sometimes the people who composed the hymns described themselves as Aryas and called their opponents Dasas or Dasyas. These were people who did not perform sacrifices and probably spoke different languages. Later, the term Dasa came to mean slave. Slaves were women and men who were often captured in war. They were treated as the property of their owners, who could make them do whatever work they wanted. Okay, children, let us wind up today's class. Now you have to watch this video many times and read today's portion many times and underline important points. Then do given works. Thank you to all.